Hello, I'm Ken Cavanaugh with Saskark Equipment Group, one of Western Canada's leading providers of light towers, heating solutions, air compressors, generators, and water pumping equipment, as well as safe access solutions. We'd like to introduce you to our mega pump range of diesel trash pumps. These pumps are available in 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, and larger. This particular unit here is a 6-inch unit with the control zinc controls. These are telematics ready. They've also got a float system that comes standard with these units, both for high and low level. These are a fully self-priming pump, very heavy duty design. With the 6-inch, we've got the drain here to prevent it from freezing. And we've also got a dual venturi system, which is unique to this unit here. The beauty with the dual venturi is what this gives you is a certain redundancy and a reduced downtime. If something does happen to go wrong or dirt plugs up in your venturi, it's a simple matter of just disconnecting the hoses and switching over to the other alternative venturi, which keeps that pump running in a critical situation. Very rugged design. You've got the fuel tank built right into the frame. Very easy access, sight gauge. This unit has a removable rear bumper and axle. It becomes a skid mount unit very quickly, and it's married to a John Deere engine, which again is very service friendly, readily available for parts, that sort of thing. And the venturi system is run by a Bendix air compressor right as an integral part of the engine. We've got stabilizer jacks front and rear. So as we come around the unit, we've got the battery protector, so your battery is fully covered and protected from the elements. We've got all your fluid checks, your dipsticks, etc., are all very readily accessible for service. Very simple design, and all these pumps are also available in fully sound attenuated models as well for those residential sites where sound is critical, or even if you're in pumping in the winter time and we need an enclosure just to protect the unit. So those are also fully available, and this is a very robust, heavy-duty design manufactured in the United States, so all parts and service is readily available, and we can help you here at Saskark. If you've got any further questions at all, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-667-5155 or see us on our website at www.saskark.com. Thank you very much.